Samsung Galaxy Tab E9.6 with a shattered digitizer screen. Tape it up first. I hope this is going to be good. So I guess it's the first thing is to get the edge off. This is where the tape's handy in keeping this stuff in. Never done this before. Interested to see what happens. You're good at it. As you can see, it is functioning, so it's just the glass that's broken. Just turned it on by accident there. Slowly but surely, we seem to be getting there. It's a really difficult job, it's tricky. It takes quite a lot of effort to separate these two. There's bits of blooming glass going everywhere. The corners are proving a bit tricky. That's that side loosened down. Try to get the top off now. Having pushed up along here to get round the corner, that seems to be a major step forward. And with a pung, it has come clear. This little plastic retainer, I don't know if you can see it here, was flat over the connector, and now the ribbon connector has to come out because that's attached to the screen. up along the top, being careful not to catch the camera sensor. This is loosened up all the way down the side, so we can persuade it off. Bits of glass flying everywhere. Around the corner now, it gets the dodgy bit down here with a few buttons underneath here and here. So. And then we come here, great care to make sure to avoid that button. It's a good idea to wear glasses because there's bits of broken glass flying off all over the place here. Busted screen as seen. Stay there. So just to make sure, I've checked with the magnifying glass around all the wee holes to make sure there's no bits of glass left. And a final clean down. Before we put the new screen on. So here's the new screen, all lovely. It's got a protector on the back and a sticky bit around here. So that's going to be fine. I'll leave the protector on the front just now. It's a recess, a plastic over recess for the hole, and I think that's going to be, when this comes off, it's going to reveal the hole, so I can leave that on till the last minute and line it up correctly. It's got sticky around the side here, so when I line it up it has to be absolutely right. Let's have we practice just now, see what it feels like. I'll use that to line it up at the bottom, and that at the top, the camera hole. And that should be it. I'll have a wee practice. So if it was had a screen off, I'd line that up first, get that over the hole, and then it would go. That'd be fine. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Peel off. I'm not going to hang about, make sure there's no last wipe. I've lifted it up a little bit to make it easier to get access. Yeah, I thought so. Sticky, sticky. Don't hang about, don't hang about. Line up the bottom first. Over there. The edge. And then line up for where's the camera gone? There it is. That's it, bang on. Absolutely bang on. Yeah, that's nice. That's just a wee pressure pad there. That's going to come off. That's a bit dip it. I had that on there because I had to press quite hard. Now, this has got to get connected. I'll put that back on, the protector thing. Looks at it just as well I did, because it got so strongly stuck on. It must have had a bit of pressure whilst I was working on it, so it's just as well I had that covered up. Now this should just sit. And he's flicked up again. Hope you saw that. Do you see that? Yes, probably. At the bottom of your screen, I'll lift up a bit. Yeah. The protector's flicked up. This lies right on top of it. Oops. Open it up slightly. It goes right in, and bit of force to push it over, and now it's well in, and it's lying down nicely. So, having got that in, let's get the protector sheet back on. Luckily it remains quite sticky. There we go. That needs to be put back on. Or should I say a test? A test first. And off here, I'll just use this wee thing in case I short it. Seems to be working. My world. That looks like it's working to me. Return. It's working. Right. Right, this is the back. I just need to give it a wee brush out, make sure there's no glass in it, because it was quite there's a bit like I checked, a wee bit was sitting there waiting to go back into the machine and probably mess it up. There you go. Okay, so this just needs to get offered up properly. Oh, the glove on. Okay, glove on. I've given it a clean. Nothing else I need to remember. I've left the front cover, the front protector on here, just in case. Line it up correctly. Now, there's that. There's this wee connector in here that needs to go in first. Make sure it goes over it and doesn't damage it. Is that lined up? Can we see it? There we go. So we can power up there. Make sure these guys are in the right place. The power buttons. All the way around. There's no glue in it this time. And that's the access to the card. Well, that's it on. Here we go. Protector off. Brand new screen and button. Wonderful. Quick test. Wonderful. I'll go. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Good luck with yours.